Alright, boar. How long is it gonna take you before you grab a piece of bread? Do you have patience today? No? You got two options, option A and option B. Is that what you want? Sit down, please. Oh, you having attitude? Oh, scratch you right away. Gets mad one. No, you have to sit down. No. Come on, sit down. Don't be scratching. I know you. That's just your tactics. You really want some? Sit down, please. Sit. Sit. Boar, do you want? Yes, not. Oh, now he hears a squirrel. So he turned his butt to me. Boar, do you want some? Okay, eat. 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 Sit. Talk. Talk. Say wow, wow, wow. No, I didn't say eat. Sit. Okay. You trying to be sneaky? No. Talk. Talk. Don't worry about the cross. You want? Gentle. Alright, go catch the squirrels.